Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put together this cattle panel trellis. So stick around. So one of the things you might have problems with is loading your cattle panels, because these come in 16-foot long sections, but as you can see, you can fit them into a truck. You just really kind of have to fold them over. So what I did was set the keys down. Now I can't unlock it. So what I did was this. First, slid these up, and we got 3 of them right here. And then we had somebody fold them over. I stood up and slid them underneath the little cover we have up there. Then I took my ratchet straps and just kind of tied them all in. But otherwise, that's how you can do it with just a truck. Just tied them together here, and at the bottom just did 1 each. Hey guys, that's it for the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.